So this is the formula, the powdered bird food and a little bit of water in it, and then that's going to be used as reward. Say hi. Aska, say hi. Good girl. Turn. Turn. It's trying to use the just the vocal command, but sometimes need the visual as well. Curtsy. Curtsy. Aska, curtsy. Good girl. Big stretch. Big stretch. Big stretch. Good girl. Say yes. Good girl. Say yes. Good girl. And she's getting trained to be comfortable. We touch on her back. So randomly just pet her like that. And even sometimes just hold her and put her back down. Good? Yeah? High five. There you are. Very good girl. And sometimes I randomly put her in a cage, close the door, but take her out right away so that she knows that going back to the cage is not scary or stressful necessarily. Very good, you did very well. So if you can do this randomly here and there, at the random location too, good girl. That'll teach her that being handled like this is not stressful. Ta-da!